there. I'm just playing with my buttery slime.
You'll just have to, if she has to be at school at 7:30, you'll just have to get up.
I'm just playing with this like really buttery slime.
6:30 and get her ready.
Yeah,
Kind of like kinetic type of slime. It's falling. But yeah. And guys, if you want to know how to make this type of slime, I can make a tutorial on it, how to make it. So yeah. And I also and I got a squishy package, and it has been so long since I videoed. So yeah, and I have glasses now. So I actually have two. I have this one. My address is on the back. And the other one is got to cover up my information is something. Really excited, so I will be right back. I need to go and get the scissors. So first we are going to open this one. Need to back up. There we go. And this is from an Instagram seller. So yeah.
I downloaded a lot of stuff, like it's downloaded in it, but it won't.
That's kind of weird because I ordered everything in packaging, but that's okay. She did actually say that most of the squishies wanted me in packaging, which that's okay. Which I'm so happy that she sent this.
What'd you do to it?
This is the pink one that I've been
Did you say
wanting.
you got a warranty on it?
Ooh.
Can you take it back or
Oh,
not?
I love those cracks in it.
It's not working like it should. Well,
I don't care if this is a defect. I'm just happy that I got it.
I downloaded
That
those stuff.
actually
It
is a
should
lot
be
of
in here. You
defects.
should be able to play it
But
anywhere
that's
you
okay.
go, but it doesn't do it. And I'll show everything she goes on.
So, thank you for that.
It acts like it's going to do it.
And
Play.
then I have this Hello Kitty donut, which I'm really happy that I got this.
It says, okay, every one of them says this, Amazon App Store unknown error.
Hello
Error
Kitty.
code. Please download the app again from the Amazon App Store.
Because probably something wrong with the app.
Every one of them says that. Everything I've downloaded.
Okay, well then it's got to do something with Amazon. It has nothing to do with the tablet.
Then I ordered this cream puff. Super cute.
I downloaded 2 movies, I think, so they won't play either. It should be in here.
I don't see.
Well, that's not the movie, but Peachy Games. I think it's everything from that line.
Soft.
It won't.
Then this must be
Because you know
my
why?
mini
Why next to
Hawaii
you gotta have
unicorn.
I'm telling you, that's what it is. Watch. We'll see what it
But
says.
on mine, you didn't have to have it, the one I used to have.
Dad, because Dad had internet at the house, he had his Wi-Fi thing.
Then this is probably an extra because it's in this. Because I don't remember ordering this. So thank you so much for the extra. Let's take it out. And I can already see a tiny bit of defects, but that's okay. Oh, that's a lot of defects. Okay, that's it. Oh, super slow rising. Okay, guys, I need to hurry up because it's about dinner time. So I need to speed this up. I might have to just show you one of the Squishies packages today. I mean, now
So these are all the
and
games
after.
you downloaded?
Okay, if I can put this back in.
All these are
And
here.
I downloaded movies too.
You downloaded movies on that tablet?
No, the joke thing worked about the.
Squish in the packaging.
You can't watch your WW thing tomorrow night. Tomorrow night, you can't save it or watch it.
Oh, I've been wanting one of these, the buddies. the small little
It's live.
panda
Why don't we
toast.
turn on Wednesday?
I mean, not the panda toast, the panda bun.
Yeah, connection errors because you don't have the
Then
internet.
with the
His dad has
pink
his little
toast.
Wi-Fi.
You know, I walked outside at work the other day just to see if it was working.
Pretty soft.
I don't know.
I'm so happy that I got this. This is probably one of my double squishies.
We'll wait until when she can't get internet so ready for it. I got it till October anyway.
Look at my donut.
Can you turn that on, please?
What?
Because it's really hot.
This is my purple poly donut. I've been running this, and then they sent me the star donut. Focus.
You got pink on there?
She has purple. Okay, I'm probably gonna just take this one out of the packaging now. I'm gonna leave these in the packaging.
See, I want to know where these are at.
And that was it in that package,
There's a
so
bunch of them.
next.
It's the same place, but it's got different colors.
Okay. I'm gonna have to move my donuts over here.
It's off of Sir Lawrence Court.
Okay, this is probably the one that I'm mostly excited about.
Is it over?
It's 23 minutes from here. It's the Council Floor.
I God hope I didn't damage any of the squishies.
It's on right by Taylor Road.
Okay, so
Because he's got a bunch of them for rent.
okay, so the first one that caught my eye was
If I win, I'm back. I'm back in spite of being a woman, and in spite of being 75, and in spite of being blackballed from NBC. I'm back, you bastards.
It's been a tremendous,
it
tremendous
smells so
season.
good.
Andy, you know what everybody's
Just
saying?
look at how soft that is.
Andy,
It's what
you're fired.
Listen. It smells like bubblegum. Air bubbles. It's pretty hard, but to squish, but like the air.
If you're not standing out right. Nobody can stand in the
And then my kitty burger.
She will stay there. She's the last person standing. She'll let it rain. She'll let it rain. She'll let it rain. Because she knows lightning can't hit because it's hit her more than
Pretty
once.
soft.
What kind of
She
boat
knows
does
she has to
Jason
stand
have?
up.
A little,
And this cute little
Yeah.
poop.
Okay.
I think it's like
Hello, my sweetheart.
12 or 13.
Yeah.
Together
All right, so
forever.
tell me it's enough. Just tell me fair.
But it's super cute. This is super cute. Oh, they sent in my pumpkin latte.
Oscar, it's not one thing, it's the fact that you're still doing it. That's really what's
Stop.
so rockstar about her. She's really the master of sticking in there. I mean, let's talk about what this is going to entail. It's a
My I'm doing strawberry and the pink version because
She
I
gets
like the
like
pink
4 hours a
version.
day sleep.
That's crazy.
Right now, everything is absolutely wonderful. I am the golden girl. But I've been here before, and I know nothing is yours.
There's an Avon lady that comes to my
Better
office.
enjoy it.
And I
She goes
have
to bed
this
at 9 o'clock
panda.
at night.
So, next
And
week,
she goes at 3 o'clock in the morning. That's when she starts her day. She works out and
WOR, Rachel Ray,
And then this donut,
Wednesday,
super shiny.
breakfast lecture. Good afternoon, book signing. Back to Miami, perform 2 shows. Thursday, LA.
Super soft.
Radio show. Then I'm home.
2 more squishies, which is this rubber ducky.
Back to the living room.
Super rising, and it smells like bananas.
you know how she died.
And
Right?
then this ice
Went in
cream.
for more plastic surgery and something happened.
super soft. Which I don't know what happened there, but this is an extra because I didn't order this, so thank you for the extra. So that was everything that I got. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. So bye.